Today we will take you through the installation of full SEO module for WHMCS. First you need to go to the WHMCS Module tab on the web shop hosting.com site, and then to the full SEO module. Next, we select the tariff we need. In this video we will use the trial version. After choosing a tariff, we will be sent to the basket, where we must click on Checkout. If you are logged into the site, you will only need to agree to the terms of use, otherwise you will have to enter additional data. Excellent. The purchase is completed. Now we need to go to the client area. This zone displays all the add-ons you have purchased, and gives you the ability to customize them. Let's go to the settings of our SEO add-on. Before setting up the plugin, we first need to download it and install it on your site. Let's download our add-on. You need to unzip the downloaded archive and transfer it to your site in the add-ons folder as shown in the video. Go to your site's WHMCS, then go to Settings, then Add-ons. Now let's activate the plugin. For this we will copy the key that we take from the settings of your add-on on web shop hosting.com. Enter the key, and put the necessary checkboxes. Great, you have activated the add-on. Above, a message was displayed that the plugin was successfully activated. Now if you go to the Add-ons tab, and then the full SEO module add-on. As you can see, the add-on says that it is activated and everything is fine with it. Let's go back to the client area and refresh the page. As you can see, data from your site has appeared here, which means the successful activation of the add-on.